The typewriter sat abandoned in the attic, its keys dusty but untouched by time. On a dare, I pressed a letter. Instantly, the carriage raced across, typing words in crimson ink. "You will read to the end." I stared, frozen, as the keys clattered on their own. "You will not leave." My heartbeat thudded louder than the clicking. The final sentence appeared, each word pounding into my mind. "You are already dead." Cold fingers clamped my shoulders. My scream echoed, but the attic swallowed it whole. The typewriter waited, carriage reset, as if eager for its next victim.